This engine is QSB 5.9. Shit. Where point go? That's the intake heater there. That's where heater up the high pump injection or fuel pressure injection. A fuel filter there. This guy they call a fuel pump transfer or lift pump. That's the two sensors that you can see it. And that's oil pressure sensor there. The commuter is under there. The wires pin. This is the back of the engine. As you can see, the two plugs there. No, there's one plug there. This is where it goes back here, the transmission. I don't know if you can see myself there. Sufi, your friend. All the manifold bolts are there. QSB. So where it goes, the thermostat there. Water pump hose. Oil filter. This is the turbocharge goes there. This is the intake side. That's the exhaust side. This is the pressure side for the air cooler. The oil filter is there. The belt tensioner. The water pump. Damper. So there.